Good day, viewers. You are welcome. This is a very interesting functional equations. F of x plus 1 equals 2f of x squared minus 1. There are many ways of solving this, but the one I want to present here, I think this is the point at which I look into it. If you have another way of solving this, we can just drop it in the comment box. Let's get into solving this problem step by step. Let's consider the solution first. We are interested to get f of x, but looking at this right hand side, this has given a particular pattern. Let's recall that if we recall from double angle formula for the cos, let's say we have cos 2 theta. One of it is 2 cos square theta minus 1. And since we know this, it is very simple that we let f of x to be equals cos theta. Before I solve further, I want to show that f is periodic for a specific starting point. And after getting that, we are going to proceed to getting f of x. So we have f of x equals cos theta. Therefore, we have f of x plus 1 equals 2 cos square theta minus 1. And after getting this, don't forget that everything here is equals cos 2 theta. And to find a periodic values for this, we need to get f of x plus 2, f of x plus 3, f of x plus 4 to as many as we have, then we get the general f of x. So here, if we try to obtain f of x plus 2, so what we do is we are going to let this one equals 2 f of x plus 1 squared minus 1. What does this mean? It means I've changed every single s to x plus 1 in the first equation. That's how we have this. But f of x plus 1 is given as 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if I replace it, we are going to have 2 bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1, then raised to power 2 minus 1. So this equals 2 bracket, this is having squared. If I expand this out, we have this as 4 cos raised to power 4 theta, then minus 4 cos square theta plus 1, then minus 1. This is what we are going to have. And when we solve further, we have this as 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8 cos raised to power 4 theta minus 8 cos raised to power 2 theta plus 2 minus 1. This equals 8 cos raised to power 4 theta minus 8 cos square theta plus 1. If this is the result of f of x plus 2, and don't forget, we are trying to get some particular patterns and we get the general functions. But looking at this right hand side, this is another value for a multiple angle. So if the first one is double angle, so looking at this one only, this is triple angle, which the result of everything here, it gives us f of x plus 2 equals cos of we get this as cos of 4 theta. Okay, so if you try to check for the next one, as the first one gives us cos 2 theta, the second one for f of x plus 2, it gives us cos 4 theta. The next one we are going to get, which is for x plus 3 is going to give us cos of 8 theta. And if we try to keep going like that, the next one will be cos of 16 theta. And we have gotten a particular pattern here. It means for every f of x plus n, the result is giving us cos of 2 raised to power n theta. So if n equals to 1, we are going to have cos 2 theta. If n equals to 2, we have cos 4 theta. If n equals to 3, we have cos 8 theta. And that's how it keeps going. And if you follow this video to this point, please try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So the previous value we have is f of x plus n. So this gives us we have the cos of bracket 2 raised to power of n theta. So this is what we have. And for f to be periodic with period of n, we need to get f of x plus n equals f of x. And similarly, since we have f of x plus n to be equals to cos 2 raised to power n theta, and we have f of x to be cos theta initially, so we can just equate the two together, and we have cos of 2 raised to power n theta equals to cos theta. Makes sense? And this is what happens here. Since we have something of this form, we can have two different cases here, considering the positive and the negative. The first case we are going to have is 2 raised to power of n theta can be equals to theta plus 2 pi k, let's say. And also 2 raised to power n theta can also be equals to minus theta plus 2 pi k. And looking at the first case here, to get the value of theta is very simple. All we do is we take theta here and we divide both sides by, we factorize, divide both sides by what we have. And we are going to have theta equals, so we are going to have 2k pi divided by 2 raised to power n minus 1. And looking at the second one also, we are going to have theta equals to 2 raised to power, we have 2k pi divided by 2 raised to power n plus 1. These are the two things that we have. And for us to get the answer that we need, let's consider from the first one that we get here. We need the concrete examples. Let's start testing for the period. We can test for period 1, period 2, and as many as period we can have. Let's say for period 2, for a period 2, what does that mean? It means n equals to 2. If n equals to 2 from the first one, we are going to have theta equals to 2k pi divided by 3. And if I set k to be equals to 1, we are going to have 2 pi divided by 3. So if we try to check for another one, let's say for period 3 or for period 4. So let's say for period 3, what we are going to have is when n equals to 3. So we are going to get, when we substitute everything, we are going to get theta equals cos of, we are going to get 2 pi divided by 7, and if we substitute, we get cos 2 pi divided by 7. So that is for f of x. And for this one also, we get our f of x here as, since we have f of x equals to cos theta, then the final result for this is going to be cos of 2 pi divided by 3. And for this, we are going to have it as cos of 2 pi divided by 7. And that's how it continues. Then in a general form, we are going to have, so if we keep iterating this, The general form for f of x is going to give us the cos of open bracket 2k pi divided by 2 raised to power n minus 1. And f here has a period of n. So this is the final answer to this problem. As this question combines three things: the algebra, the trigonometry, and the number theory. How do you solve your own problem? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.